How to disable autofill password in Google Chrome. So here is a step-by-step guide to disable the autofill password in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Google Chrome. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. Then at the bottom, tap on the settings from the drop-down menu. Then once inside the settings, all you have to do is tap on the autofill and passwords from the left-hand side menu. Once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the Google Password Manager. Now here, simply scroll down and delete the website from where you can see the autofill option available. So here, if I see the 9 anime autofill option available, then simply tap on the delete option available there and delete it. So you can repeat the process for other websites as well. And now once you go to the 9 anime, then you will not get to see the autofill password option available for that website. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.